Hello and welcome to my channel for recipes and instructions. See bottom page. This Cacio e Pepe with pink peppercorn is a luxurious twist on the Roman classic. With just a handful of ingredients, organic spaghetti, Pecorino Romano, and fragrant pink peppercorns, this pasta delivers bold flavor in the simplest way. The peppercorns are gently toasted in olive oil, the cheese melts into a creamy sauce with pasta water, and everything comes together into a silky, peppery, and cheesy masterpiece. A true Italian comfort dish that's elegant, quick, and unforgettable. Instructions. 1. Prep the pepper. Crush the pink peppercorns in a mortar and pestle until fine. Set aside. 2. Infuse the oil. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the crushed pink peppercorns and toast gently for 2 to 3 minutes until aromatic. Remove from heat and set aside. 3. Cook the pasta. In a large pot, bring water to a boil and season with sea salt. Cook spaghetti about 3 to 4 minutes less than package instructions. It will finish cooking in the skillet. 4. Make the cheese cream. In a bowl, whisk grated Pecorino Romano with a few ladlefuls of hot pasta water until it forms a smooth, creamy sauce. 5. Combine. Transfer the undercooked spaghetti to the skillet with the pepper oil. Add a splash of pasta water and cook until al dente. Remove from heat and toss with the pecorino cream until silky and well coated. 6. Serve. Garnish with a touch of extra pink peppercorn and serve immediately.